And welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Globe box, ethically sourced, handcrafted stuff made by artisans from all around the world. So let's check it out. So this is what you see when you open it. They have all sorts of different boxes for you to choose from. I got their froth box because I want to learn how to make better lattes and have the tools and equipment to do so. So first we have a Just Tea, which is partners with a women's co-op in Kenya that provides employment in an uplifting and self-sustaining environment. Their delicious herbal teas contain organic lemongrass, which helps your body absorb iron, settles tummy troubles, and is hand harvested by these Kenyan women. So these teas, as you see on the side, are actually 100% organic ingredients. Next, we got these two balls, which are little cups. Bottom, and it's tapered inwards a little bit. Got two of them. We also have a coffee art stencils and 3 boxes in here, and they have some sort of color code on them. In the green box, we have a beautiful latte cup. In the blue box, purple, and in the red box, we got a pink cup. Ooh, I like this one a lot. It's like coral. So in here, it actually shows you everything that came in the box. And, oh wow, and also who made everything that came in the box. So these 3 things were made by this guy right here. The latte mug is designed to have a large surface so you can display your latte art. Honestly, these mugs are so big, they could like be bowls. But, so you can use, so it's definitely multi-purpose. The next page shows where the tea comes from, which is a Kenyan woman, which we just talked about. And then over here, oh, I love that you can see who made it. That is super cool. So the stencils were made by this woman. And let's check them out. So we have a flower, sun, heart, rock on, pause, and a smiley face. So these are the stencils for your latte like that. This way you can make cool designs. These hand-blown recycled glass cups were made by this guy. They're used in Morocco for sipping espresso coffee. However, you can also use it to, you know, do your sip on your favorite liqueur or even make pretty little candle votives out of it. And you can actually see it's super handmade because it's actually a little bit wonky, which I really like. So, you know, it's not 100% like balanced. And on the last page, you can see that there's a honey coconut latte recipe for you to follow and make your lattes. So that is the Globe froth box. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, let me know what you think about this box. And for more information about it, check out the links below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.